Hello dear civil engineers, welcome to WS Civil and IT Technology YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be just learn about the foundation layout for a specific villa, building or any other structures. In this video and in this drawing we will learn about the footing for a villa, G+1 villa, how you can read as a site engineer, as a site manager, as a site project engineer, how you can read the drawing for a villa. So first of all, we have different types of footing, like single footing, strap footing or footing which is connected by strap beam, double footing, a footing which is have two or more than two columns located in one footing. So from the starting of your project, first of all you have to read your drawing carefully. There have some notes in each drawing for footing or beam, anything. There have some notes. First of all you will read or study these notes. So notes, the soil bearing capacity is 140 kilonewton per meter square. Most important point, that a soil bearing capacity, you will have the soil test report on the site, that what is the bearing capacity, what is the detail for the soil. The depth of excavation should be 1 meter from the natural ground level or natural surface level. It should be 1 meter. Foundation are designed for G+1, which I told before. This drawing and this footing drawing for G+1. Refer to soil test report. I tell already this, that the soil report should be on the site you have. Before the starting of your project, you will done your all soil test report, and soil tests you should be done before. All footing are the center of the column unless specified otherwise. All footings are the center of the column. Most important point, there have different columns, like I tell before, this eccentric column have footing located not on the center, it's a side way, yani it should be on the left side, right side, maybe it will be not on the center, near the center or far away from the center. So first of all, there have different types of column here, yani according to size, F1, F2, F3, F4. So let's go to the details for the columns, that which types of footing we have. This is F1. We have the C1, any column 1. We will discuss in next video about columns, that what is the types of column here. So F1, it is 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet, yani 1.37 meter. And also you have the distance between the edges of your footing to the column width. This is F2 same size, 1.68 meter, and same column you will be put here. Like F3 size, length, width, dimension. This is F5, F6, like that. All detail you should be study before starting your work. So this is our schedule for footing, soil bearing capacity 140 kilonewton per meter square. So length, breadth and depth, what should be the sizes for different columns for length, width and depth. So F1, 4 feet by 6 feet by 4 feet by 6 feet by 16 inch. So here, just to see, this is our 4.5, here is the same, and 4.5. So 4.5, it is in metric feet. So if you convert 1.5 feet to inches feet, it will become 1 feet to 6 inch. So this is 4 feet 6 inch, and 16 inch is thickness of this footing. After that, short span and long span. Here the same dimension, so you can use the uh, same long span and short span. Both are same. Y12 mean it's the diameter of the bar is 12 millimeter bar, and at the rate it should be 6 inch center to center, same like that. Okay, all the center to center distance are same here, 6 inches, 12 bar we will use. So this is the structural detail for the footing. After that, there have the cross section detail of C1, that how you can put the stirrups for this column. So column details we will discuss on the next video. So this is the detail for the footing. So you will use this schedule for different footings like F1, F2, at what is the size and what is the steel footing details, yani center to center distance for each bar here. So thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel for more latest updates.